Hello, my name is Carly Ketcherside. I am the creator of CADS. We are a digital marketing company. So I was just doing some research and I came across your site. I just wanted to make a quick video. I don't want to waste your time or mine. So basically at the end of this, you can reach out if you're interested, or you can apply these tips yourself. But I just wanted to go over a few quick things that you can use to outrank your competition online. So 3 things that we are going to go over. So first is content, and then citations and backlinks. So first of all, content, that is basically all the words and photos here on your front page. Google likes to see about 12 to 1500 words. So one thing I would recommend is definitely adding some more content as well as the keywords that you're trying to rank for. Another thing you can do is, save photos. Okay, yeah. So you can save these photos as well as keywords that you want to rank for, and that will help rank you. Okay, so next thing we can go over real quick is citations. So citations have to do with this map pack here in Google right here. So I did actually see you guys in the map pack, and you were on, I believe, the first page. So good job there. Another thing you can do to rank up a little bit higher is there's a tool called Whitespark, and basically what your citations are is your name, address, and phone number listed on any directory online. So there's a tool called Whitespark, and you can actually go in and see the places that all of your competition is getting listed at. And one thing you can do is go in, make sure your name, address, and phone number is in all the same places that they are, as well as, I mean, if you want to outrank them, you would obviously add a few more as well. But you guys are pretty good there, so good job on that. Next thing we can go over is backlinks, which backlinks has to do with this organic ranking here. So here is one of your main competitors. I pulled them up. Here is their front page. So as you can see, they don't have a ton of content, but this kind of has to do with the backlinks. So for backlinks, there's a tool called Ahrefs. So I went in and I pulled you guys up. So this shows your referring domains, which are basically the websites that are linking to your website via backlink. So it looks like you guys have 215 domains, and they are linking back to your website 753 times. So then I went in and pulled up their information on the same site. So here's one thing that's interesting, is because it looks like they have less domains, but they are ranking up higher on the Google search than you. And that is because not all backlinks are created equally. Yeah, there's a little bit of depth in that. But one thing you can do, again, same thing, is go in here and kind of the same thing as citations. Go in, make sure all of your information is getting listed at the same place as them and your other competitors, as well as if you want to outrank them, not only the same places, but a few more as well. Yeah, so just to keep it short and sweet, there are a few quick things you can do. If you are interested, I would love to hear back from you. We can talk about many different things that we can do, many different ways we can work together. If not, you can go ahead and apply these yourself. And I hope you have a lovely day and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you for your time.